To help keep a dental practice running efficiently, dental assistants perform a variety of patient care, office, and laboratory duties. It is important not to confuse dental assistants with dental hygienists, who are licensed to perform a wider variety of clinical tasks. Dental assistants must be organized and competent in handling several duties at once. These duties can range from disinfecting instruments to assisting dentists during examinations and treatments. If you are interested in this career, you should enjoy working with and talking to people, making patients feel comfortable before or during a treatment procedure, and educating people about good oral health care. Although dental assistants do face potential hazards that may include handling radiographic equipment or being exposed to infectious diseases, these risks are minimized when strict safety procedures are followed. Generally, dental assistants work in a safe environment where they are able to make a positive contribution to the field of dentistry.